Hi, everybody. It's Mystical Patrick. Just going over some basics of Darebee. It's a website that's totally free, has over 1,400 workouts, accessible with your iPhone, your Android, and on your computer, especially a Chromebook. One of the reasons why the phys ed staff likes it so much is there's so many things you can do, whether you're just getting into working out or you're looking for a different workout or add something to. There's just a ton of stuff on here. So I'm just going to give you a quick intro to Darebee. If you look on the website here, it's DAREBEE.com. You type it in. You can do it on your phone. If the app doesn't work on your phone, I think there's like 3 or 4 different apps. You can just get on a Chrome browser and do it that way. The basics, I get on there and you see these headings up top, and there's over 1,400 workouts. What I typically do is I go to workouts, and as you can see up top, oh, I lied, there's 1,500 workouts. And this is the key right here. I'm putting my cursor over this right now, load filter. If you start going through here and just start scrolling, it just goes on and on and on. There's 1,500 plus workouts. So if you load the filter, you can actually tell it what you want. It comes up usually on the right column here, and it says, what is your focus? And say I just want to do upper body, and I want to do strength and tone. You see hit here, that's high intensity interval training. That means you just go from one exercise to the next exercise with no break until you do 8 to 10 exercises, then you take a break. So I want it light, easy, normal, hard. Maybe I have to wear a mask. I can't take a shower, use the locker room. I'm in phys ed, so maybe I need to go light. So they show how many corresponding workouts there are. Equipment. This is the one I like. I don't have any equipment. I don't have money to go get dumbbells. I don't have a weight set or whatever. Maybe I just go none. Okay. So every time I make an adjustment, you'll see it puts the workouts here. Don't worry. This website is 100% free. There's no ads. Google's not tracking you. All that good stuff that, we find on the internet. This is why Mr. Smith, got to give him kudos. I found this about 5 years ago. One of the best websites I've seen on the internet for working out. Now, these are, I'm going to do dumbbells. Okay. I'm going to switch from none to dumbbells. And you can always switch. Do I want circuit, classic? Maybe I'll just go classic. And it keeps adjusting. There's 2 pages. Strength and power. Okay. Click on strength and power. You can download these PDFs to your computer. You can save them. You can print them out. It's really, really cool. So you look at this one. This is a traditional one. I'm doing arm curls, 20 alternating bicep curls times 3, and then looks like some sort of shoulder press, single arm shoulder press. Don't do this one and mow your lawn. You'll pull your cord out of your lawnmower after you do it. You'll be so strong. But here's some push-ups, and then here punches. So and you can actually, if you look down here, it shows what muscles are being used: upper body, strength and tone, difficulty, and then look at the PDF button. You can save it right here. The nice thing about this is, okay, let me go back to Darebee. I'm going to go right back to the beginning. I'm going to go to workouts, and I'm going to do something totally. Maybe I want to work on core. Maybe I want to do yoga. It's all right here. So you go to the filter, and you type in what do you want. There is some with no equipment. Only has a couch. You don't have a couch. There's stuff on there for a couch. So there's really no excuse. You can do this at your house. You can do this anytime. I wanted to show you. So here's the workouts. We go back to the main page. I got so excited, I saw a piece of cake. I got all excited, then I realized it was a workout. But you have a piece of cake here. We have 300 no equipment workouts. If you're someone who likes to print stuff out, look at these. There's volume 1, 2, 3. You can actually 100 plus workouts, high res PDF. You can send it right to your Google Drive, and you have them, and you can put them on your phone if you don't have Wi-Fi. It's really cool stuff, and that's with no workout or no equipment. Also, if you look at programs, really cool programs, 30 days of yoga, high gear. Look at this, 10 minutes a day. I could work out, but I can only work out for 10 minutes. 30-day workouts, no equipment, no push-ups. There's just so many great things on here. Someone says, well, Mr. Patrick, I don't know how to do that exercise. I don't know what the name of it is. If you go down to getting started, you go to video exercise library, and I go, let me go to squats. How do I do a squat correctly? There is a quick 3 to 5 second YouTube video of someone doing a squat. So you just hit it. And there she is doing, see how she's sitting back. Her knees aren't really going forward. Her chin's up. and there you go. Okay, so you have a way of figuring out how to do all the workouts. There's challenges. If you see there's an indoor challenge, look at this move right here. All right, I just pulled my hand. You're looking at that guy. But that's a really cool. And every day they have a different challenge. We have indoor challenges, a new program. Like this is pretty cool. If you look at these programs, 30-day workout of yoga, it will have um, a calendar for everything you need to do. You can download, you can preview where you're at. There it is, 30 days of yoga. So there is a lot of really cool things on here that you can do. Okay, let me hit back here and let's see. All right, so with that being said, I'll end on the 30 days of yoga. Go to darebee.com. Okay, let me type it in right here. You can't see it. Darebee. And get back to the main site here. Fitness on your own terms. How cool is that? And right here, there's darebee.com, and there's meal plans, nutrition. We'll get into that later, fitness, but there's a lot of great stuff. It's one of the best resources going. So good luck, and feel free to explore all the other things they have on there. There's so much stuff on there. You can't even do it in one video. Good luck.